Good morning friends, I am Jyoti Musa in front of you, and in last videos I taught you unit first, and there were 4 sections in that unit and we have read them. But today I am going to explain you unit second understanding and the section first of this unit. The first section is the quarrel. By this poem you will understand that we should not quarrel in our life with someone, with anyone, with friends or with our dearest one. I don't mean that we should never quarrel, but for the genuine things we can quarrel, but for the things which is wrong we should not quarrel for that. The thing is that sometimes we argue without any reason. One fault leads to another. That means sometimes with our friends or with our dear one or with our parents we argue, that we quarrel for some things or some matter, so it is very bad thing. We should not argue for that. We should analyze what is wrong and what is right. One fault leads to another. That means when we do one mistake, and hide it the second mistake we do. So when we start to do any fault, the first fault leads to another fault. It is always good to forgive the others. Dear students, it is very necessary in our life and you must know and you have to do that. You have the heart for only for forgiving only. We should not keep anything in our heart like this, that someone or some person or any person have done wrong with you. If he has done wrong with you, just let it go. But you should not do the back. You should not repay the wrong things with that person, with the same person. Always good to forgive the others, and we should be good, and we should be very kind, and we should forgive to another person. In this poem, the first lines are, I quarreled with my brother, I don't know what about. One thing led to another, and somehow we fell out. This line means that here a boy is here and he says that I fight with my brother. That means he fights with his brother, but on which matter he doesn't know about that. On which matter he is fighting or quarreling with his brother. My dear students, you are thinking that what is the means of fighting and quarreling? So here the fight and quarrel both means झगड़ा करना, लड़ाई करना. But the different meaning is that when you quarrel, that it means that there is no physical activity. You are doing with the only voice or verbally only. But when you fight means you are doing the physical activity in that. You are fighting, you are beating, you are hitting to someone. That is called the fighting. That he doesn't know that why did he quarrel with his brother. But dear students, the one fault leads to another fault. When you do one mistake, then that mistake leads to another mistake. And when you quarrel, when the quarrel becomes huge, and when it is become, it will take the form of the huge quarrel, that it would be very bad for us, because it hurts only, and it doesn't give us pleasant, or it doesn't give us enjoy or joy. One thing led to another, and somehow we fell out. My dear friends, I think it happens in your home also. You also fight with your little brother, sister, or your elder brother and sister, or with your friends also. But quarrel doesn't mean that we should quarrel or we should not do patch up again. We can quarrel for the genuine reason, but we should not do the wrong with someone. And for a long time we should not feel that he is bad, or we should not quarrel for a long time. If you are quarreling for any little reason, or a very little reason, then you should forget it after some time. You should not carry it on the next day. You should forget it now. The start of it was light, the end was it was wrong. He said he was right, I knew he was wrong. He's saying that when he started fighting or quarreling with his brother, it was a very little quarrel between both of them. But when the quarrel took too much time, then it has taken the huge form in front of them, and it has become the end was very strong. They did not talk with any another. The boy says that he says that he is right and his brother is wrong, and his brother is thinking that he is right and he is wrong. So I want to say that जब भी हम कभी लड़ाई कर लेते हैं किसी से, तो हमें उससे मन में नहीं रखना चाहिए. अगर हम सुबह ही लड़ाई कर लेते हैं या कुछ छोटी छोटी बातों पर हमारा झगड़ा हमारे बहन से, हमारे भाई से या हमारे फ्रेंड से हो जाता है, तो हमें उसे कुछ समय बाद भूल जाना चाहिए. अदरवाइज क्या होता है कि वो छोटी छोटी चीज़ें जो होती है वो एक लड़ाई का बड़ा रूप ले लेती हैं, जिससे सिर्फ हमें हर्ट नहीं होता बल्कि उस व्यक्ति को भी हर्ट होता है जिससे हम बहुत प्यार करते हैं, या जो हमारा फ्रेंड है, ये जो हमारा लिटिल ब्रदर और सिस्टर है. We hated one another. The afternoon turned black. Then suddenly my brother thumped me on the back. This line means here the boys saying that they both hurt each other. Means वो दोनों एक दूसरे से बहुत ही नफरत करते थे, क्योंकि वो आपस में हमेशा झगड़ा करते रहते थे, इसलिए वो हम एक दूसरे से बहुत नफरत करते थे. बट इसी कारण क्या हुआ, इसके कारण ये हुआ कि जब वो दोनों भाई एक दूसरे के साथ थे लेकिन फिर भी झगड़ते रहते थे, तो उनका पूरा डे स्पॉइल हो गया, पूरा डे खराब हो गया और उनका मूड भी खराब हो गया. Then suddenly my brother thumped me on the back. And now the boy says that कि जब उनका झगड़ा बहुत बड़ा रूप, इनके झगड़े ने बहुत बड़ा रूप ले लिया, तब उसका जो भाई है वो आया और उसने उसकी पीठ पर थम्प किया. मीन्स उसको थपथपाया, या ऐसा कह सकते हैं कि शाबाशी दी, इस टाइप से कुछ उसने ऐसा उसको फील करवाया. एंड सेड ओह कम अलोंग, और उसने कहा कि अरे चलो, वी कांट गो ऑन ऑल नाइट, कि हम कभी भी एक दूसरे से बिना बात किए नहीं रह सकते, इस तरह से नहीं रह सकते. I was in this wrong, so he was in the right. अब मुझे रियलाइज हुआ जब मेरा भाई खुद मेरे पास आया कि poem is written by Eleanor Parzian, and this poem expresses the feeling of love between two brothers. Here afternoon turned black means the day was spoiled. My dear students, in this poem the message is that we should not quarrel with each other. We have seen that on a little things we quarrel with each other in our home also. At our home also, with our elder brother sister, with our little brother and sister, or with our friends also. Quarrel does not mean that we don't love each other. Quarrel means that we love too much with each other, but a quarrel should be very little. It must not be too long. That can spoil our day, that can spoil our mood. So, my dear student, quarrel and fighting both are the different ways. We should not fight with each other, but we can quarrel because we love with each other. We can quarrel only on genuine way. It does not mean that you will quarrel any time or each time. Dear students, the quarrel. Those persons who quarrel with everyone, they are called quarrelsome. जो लोग हमेशा ही लड़ते झगड़ते रहते हैं, एक दूसरे के साथ लड़ते हैं, अपने भाई बहन के साथ, अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ, तो उन्हें quarrelsome मीन्स झगड़ालू कहा जाता है. और हमें हमारी पर्सनालिटी कभी भी ऐसी झगड़ालू नहीं बनानी है, और ना ही हमारी कभी मेंटलिटी ऐसा होना चाहिए कि हम हमेशा ही झगड़ते रहें. जो लोग एक दूसरे से बहुत प्यार करते हैं, जिन लोगों के बीच बहुत प्रेम होता है, वे छोटी छोटी बातों पर झगड़ते हैं, लेकिन वे थोड़ी देर बाद उस बात को भूल भी जाते हैं. लेकिन जब ये झगड़ा अगर हम बहुत लंबे समय तक अपने मन में रखते हैं, तो ये एक बहुत बड़ा रूप ले लेता है. समटाइम्स इट टेक्स द फीलिंग ऑफ रिवेंज, एंड द रिवेंज इज वेरी dreadful. जो रिवेंज होता है वो बहुत ही डेंजरस होता है, इसलिए हमें हमारे झगड़े को, हमारी लड़ाई को वहीं फिनिश कर देना चाहिए जहाँ से वो शुरू हुआ है। हमें उसे लॉन्ग टर्म तक नहीं रखना चाहिए, क्योंकि लॉन्ग टर्म तक रखी गई जो झगड़े होते हैं वो हमेशा रिवेंज का रूप ले लेते हैं। डियर स्टूडेंट, कभी कभी ऐसा भी होता है कि हम उस चीज़ पर गुस्सा हो जाते हैं जिस पर हमें नहीं होना चाहिए, या उस व्यक्ति पर गुस्सा हो जाते हैं जिस पर हमें नहीं होना चाहिए। तो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, हमें हमेशा सोच समझ कर काम करना चाहिए और कभी भी छोटी छोटी बातों पर झगड़ा नहीं करना चाहिए। इस पोएम में भी यही बताया गया है कि हमें छोटी छोटी बातों पर झगड़ा नहीं करना चाहिए। अब इस पोएम से रिलेटेड कुछ यहाँ पर मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चन है दैट आई एम गोइंग टू एक्सप्लेन यू, एंड द PDF you will get the next day. Here in the first question, first sentence is the poet quarreled with his brother. पोएट जो है वो अपने भाई से लड़ता है। There are 4 options. One is very often, second because he cheated him, third is because he complained about him, and the fourth one is but he doesn't know why. So I explain you that the boy didn't know that on which matter, on what things they both were quarreling. So the fourth option is correct, but he doesn't know why. The phrase fell out means two. Fell out means, what is the means of fell out? So here are 4 options: be cut off, fall down, quarreled, and fall outside. Dear students, the fell out is a phrase and this phrase is used as a quarrel here. यहाँ पे जो phrase है fell out, इसका यूज यहाँ पर quarrel के लिए किया गया है. Then the third option is right, quarrel. Third is the line that tells us that the two brothers fought fiercely is. Fiercely means भयंकर तरीके से या फिर बहुत ही खतरनाक तरीके से. So they both fought fiercely. Here are 4 options. The start of it was slight, the end of it was strong, and we hated one another, and we fell out. Here is only second option is right. Why? Because in second option it is said that they both fought fiercely. So the second option is right. The poet and his brother fought. Fourth is the poet and his brother fought. Poet और उसका भाई दोनों लड़े. When they fought, कब वे लड़े? At night, in the afternoon, in the morning, and in the evening. So dear students, you will get the answer in poem. They fought at the afternoon. The rhyme scheme of the first verse is, dear students, the rhyme scheme I can explain you only verbally here because you are not attending school. If you will attend, then I can explain you it very clearly, but I will try to explain you here. Dear students, when the first line of any stanza, if first line and the third line rhymes the same, then they would be A. And the second line of any stanza and the fourth line of any stanza are same. That means first and third are same and the second and fourth are same, then it would be AB and AB. If the first is same, third is same, and the second and fourth are different, then it would be AB is like this. So here the right answer is AB, AB. Thank you, students, and the rest of the things I will tell you in the PDF, in the form of PDF I will send you. So the next chapter I will explain you in the next video. Thanks for this.